Hello friends, in this presentation we will be transferring the design reinforced concrete members to Prota, and from Prota we will also export it to Autocad. We are going to do it in a special way, so stay tuned. Like the lesson, do way to subscribe if you are yet to subscribe. So let's us get started. We have to navigate to the drawings and report tab. Mind you, this design we have already edit and do all the necessary optimizations of the reinforced concrete members. So having opened the drawing and report tabs right there, we go straight away to the Prota detail. This one, just click on it. Alright, so here is the Prota detail. So in the Prota detail, we have various options. How do you want to proceed? Auto generate details by creating a new drawing. So these are two options that you select. Okay, the first one, so once you select the first one, the drawing will be automatically created, but we want to go by start by creating a new drawing options, this one. Okay, so we just have to click on that. So once you click on that, you have a blank page just like this. Okay, so in this we are going to be producing drawing according to what we actually wanted in the drawings, all right, and not all the drawing per se. All right, so we will be considering the floor beams. Okay, for the beams we are going to be considering the elevations of the beams in the story one, this one. Okay, all of this in the story one will be considered. Okay, only this one. So for us to generate the drawings for the story one, okay, we select that, right click, and then we click on draw beams elevations, this one. So once you click on that, the draw details options dialog will come up just like this. So you can see the scale of the beam is 1:25, this one. Okay, we wouldn't want to insert sheet. All right, so what we need to do is just click on draw. So you have to select any point on the scene view, and then give the program some time to be able to draw all the beams elevations of this story one successfully. So this is the beam drawings. Okay, reinforced concrete beam drawings of this story one. All right, so we are okay with this. Okay, so the next one is the foundation beam. Okay, so we expand this. So these are the foundation beams. All right, so we just have to select the foundation. You can also minimize that. Select the foundation, right click on the foundations, or you can draw it one by one. If you want to draw it all, you have to come to this foundation beams elevations drawings. Okay, so select that, right click, and then we are going to use the option draw foundation beam details or axis. So select right there and just pick on draw, having confirmed the scale. If you want to increase the scale of the drawing, you can just change it over here successfully. Click on draw. So we are going to be drawing this under these particular provisions. Just like this. So these are our foundation beams. All right, so the next thing we need there is the columns elevation drawings. Okay, columns elevation drawings. So we activate a column elevation drawings, this one, right click, and then we are going to draw the columns elevations, draw the schedule as well. So select there, click on draw right away, then we are placing it over these provisions and click. All right, so if you notice it's colliding with the beams, so since it is colliding with the beams, what we just need to do is we will have to undo that. So after getting that undo successfully, we need to place the columns elevations again. So let that, right click, and then you draw that, right click on draw again, and you go a little bit upward and place it right there. Having saved the drawing, now we want to export this drawing to DWG or DSF. So select right click and then click on export. So this is the one. Okay, so we are going to be using the lower version of AutoCAD, okay, 2007. All right, then click on export. So export is done, and then the folder, the directory is open. Okay, so we can now copy this, or we select that and click on the AutoCAD so as to open it in AutoCAD. We click on continue opening the WG file. Alright, so here is the drawing in AutoCAD. Okay, so we have obtained the first floor, okay, as well as the reinforced concrete columns and the reinforced concrete beam, both at the first floor and the foundation beam. So these are the things we are going to be working on. Okay, we'll be making it presentable. The right way to do it, we will do that successfully in the next lesson. So stay tuned, stay connected. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.